Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon count. Today it is all about Dollar General and their 5 off 25 Saturday scenarios for 11/11. These deals can be combined with the 3-day deal. Also, it can be combined with the 50% off Christmas yard outside door decorations. And these deals do not have glitches in it or sequences. If you want to see glitches or sequences, go to my Monday video. That will show you exactly what to do if you want to use those different products. Now, if you find glitches or sequences, by all means use them. I will be showing you how to use paper coupons in this deal and regular. We have some gain. I have a deal that should be $5 and under. And we're going to try the spend 15, get $5 off of the Purex along with the 5 off 25 deal, okay? So come on, guys, let's go. Okay, guys, the first deal we're going to grab is the Vibrant, the 2-count Airwick. They are buy one, get one free with the digital coupon. Remember, I told you you had to have a digital coupon. So you can get one that's 7 because this is what I got, and then I'm going to get one that's $6.25. Now, if you want to know why I'm getting one that's 7 and one that's $6.25, for one, I like the fragrances. 2, it's going to save me some money. Go and watch my glitch video so you can see how to sequence these, okay? So let's grab these. So that's $7 and $6.25. Okay, our next deal we're going to pick up is a Febreze plug-in, and it is at $3.25. They're going to give us $2.25 off, making these $1. So grab one of those. I already put it in my cart. Then we're going to go to the Lysol app. It is $7.35 right here. We're going to scan all of those, guys. It should give us a $3 off coupon. Okay, the next one you're going to grab is a Gain Ultra Clean right here, and it is at $2. Okay, so let's look at what we should have in our cart. So we're going to have one Lysol Air, one Gain Ultra Clean, one Febreze plug-in, one Vibrant at $7, and one Fresh Prime at $6.25. Okay, the first thing we're going to scan is our Gain dish detergent, and it is $2, as you can see, and a 50% off coupon. Now, if you want to take it higher, you could do the spend 20, get $5 off of Gain. Those will stack if you go over by $5, okay? So we're gonna grab that. The next thing we're gonna scan is this. Okay, we're gonna scan our Lysol, $7.35, $3 off coupon. Then we're gonna scan our Febreze plug-in, $3.25. $2.30 off coupon. Then we want to scan the Vibrant, $7. Buy one, get one free. We don't have it on here. I gotta show you guys where's. I got it scanned for me. Oh, you gotta have that coupon. Then this is the other one. When they buy one, get one free. Let me show you. Remember I told you have to have a coupon for these two. Let me show you. Okay, so here's the coupon for the buy one, the Vibrant. Buy one, get one free. Now, so we end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things in our cart. Let's start adding them up and see how much we have. Okay, $7.35 for the Lysol. $7 for the Vibrant, $6.25 for the Airwick, $3.25 for the plug-in, and $2 for the Gain, $25.85. You're going to take that 5 off 25 coupon immediately off. Then you're going to take the 50% off the Gain. Then you're going to take the $3 off the Lysol. Then you're going to take the $2.30 off of the plug-in. Okay, so we have $15. Then you're gonna take away that $7 off that one plug. So you end up paying $8.05. So this is $8, $8.05 for this. That's how much that is. So that's $8.05. But when we go into our Ibotta, we have $10.98. So this can be free, correct? Remember, if you're linked to Ibotta, you can have it. It's more than one way to pay and lower your costs. Then you also can use your wallet in Dollar General. Okay, and there it is. I only have $8, so you will pay $7.05. That's how much I would pay out of pocket. Okay, so let's get to our next deal. Okay, our next deal we're gonna do is gonna be on the all free and clear. We're gonna do these. They're at $5 each. Grab 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now let's scan. As you can see, they're at $5 each. Then we have this deal right here where it says $5 when you spend $15 on Snuggle. Then it tells you can get $1 back. Don't clip that yet. You go into your Ibotta that must be attached to your Dollar General. They're going to give you $2 back on 5 of them. So on your account, you're going to do all of 6 of these together. You need to get it up to $30. Here's why. When you get up to 30, they're going to take away their 5 off of 25 because you got it up to 30. Then you want to scan it. And remember, it's also going to give you that 5 off 15 because once you got it up to $15 over, so you went to 20. Once you got up to $20, it was going to take that 5 off, but it was going to lower it back down if you was trying to use the 5 off 25 digital. So you have to go up. Now, if you go up to 5, I don't know if it'll accept it. I went up to 6 last time, it accepted. I went into my Ibotta, I got 2, 4, 6, 8, $10 back from this Ibotta, and then it was a $1 coupon clipped on Ibotta also that'll attach to this, so it's going to give you $11 back. So 10, so you down to $20, take away 11. Hold it, guys. You know I'm terrible. Good Lord. $20, take away 11. So you end up actually paying $9 out of pocket for this deal right here. That is a fantastic deal. That's a great deal. I would use that. Now, if you just want to do it on a regular day, but you want to collect your whole $10, only get 5 of these. You're only going to get that 5 off of 15. Then you're going to go on Ibotta, and which is connected to your account. So it already know that you bought it, and you're going to get $10 back for those 2 each. So it's still a good deal. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys that. Let's get to a paper deal. Next, guys, let's do this deal right here. It's going to be all paper, everything. We're not going to even use a digital coupon on it, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our 5 off 25 paper. Now, I earned this from Monday and Tuesday doing a glitch and a any day deal. So this is mine, okay? Then these are the coupons that I've got out of a newspaper or wherever I got them from. Okay, they are buy one get one free, so you're gonna grab 2 of those buy one get one frees, so that make you buy 4 of those products, right? You're gonna grab 2 of these, 1 and 2. So these are the coupons you're gonna need for that deal. You're gonna grab 4 of the Febreze fabric sprays and 2 of the Dons. Let's scan. So those are at $4, right? So remember, we're doing this as if we did not have any digital coupons, all paper right here. That's the deal. Okay, so let's start adding up. The Febreze fabric spray is $4 each. So let's do that 4 times. Oh Lord, you guys know how bad I am with this computer. That's 8, okay. 12, 16. Then the Dawn Power Spray is at $5. $26 on the head. So first start with that coupon, the paper 5 off 25 that they give us. So we're going to take that off. Now we're down to $21. The $2 off of the Dawn Power Wash. So we're going to take $2 off that. Then take another 2. Okay, then we're going to take $4 twice off of the Febreze fabric spray. You end up paying out of pocket $9. Now, if you are a bundle girl or guy, I would keep this bundle together because it's pretty. You can probably sell it for $25 again. So that's the deal for that. So let's look at these coupons. You will be using all of these coupons. If you have paper coupons and you don't have digital, this is a great deal to do. Okay, guys. Yeah, so let's go look at some 3-day deals that's also included in this 5 off 25. Okay, for our 3-day deal that we're combining with our 5 off 25, which it lasts from 11/9 to 11/11. So we can grab it. Let's grab a 7-Up. Let's grab a Dr. Pepper. Okay, let me make sure we got the right Candra, Sunkiss, RC Cola, 7-Up, A&W. Oh, let me grab my A&W. I'm going to grab a Sunkiss, okay? So, you see our liquids, our libations that we have, right? Okay, so when I scan it, it is $4.95 for a 6-pack. But they give you a $1 off coupon. Then if you look closer, they are 3 for $8. Then when that $1 off coupon, making those 3 for $7. Fantastic deal. Now we're not even finished yet, so let's finish. You want to grab this right here. These are 2 for $2.50, making them $1.25 each. Okay, next we're gonna grab 2 of the sweet teas. They are at $3.25. It's save additional $3 when you buy 2. So let's see how it looks when we scan it. So I grabbed 2 of those, put them in my cart. $3.25. Save $3 when you buy 2. Always scroll down to make sure you ain't missing no additional goodies that you need, okay? So make sure you do that. So we got the 3 pops in there, sodas, and these teas. Okay, next you're gonna grab 2 of the Bugles, 3.7 ounces. They're at $1. And when we scan it, let's see what happens. Okay, here they is. They are $1. Then you have a $1 coupon, 75-cent coupon attaching, making these $1.25 for 2 bags or 75 cents a bag. Next deal we're gonna grab, guys, it's gonna be on the Miller wafers. They're 2 for $8. So you're gonna grab 2 boxes of these right here, which I already grabbed. I did tell you guys to grab them because I paid $6 for 1 box last year. So we're gonna grab 2 of those. So far you see in this cart, you see the 2 Bugles, the 2 sweet Pure Lease, the 3 sodas, and the 2 Miller wafers, okay? Okay, let's add everything up. The Nilla wafers are at $8. The sodas are at $8. The the tea is at $3.25 each. And the Bugles are at $1 each. $24. Add 50 cents onto there. So let's go plus 50 cents. Pass on for 50 cents. Automatically take your 5 off 25. Take your $3 off the tea. Take your 0.75 cent off the Bugles, and then take your $1 off of the soda, and then take off your $2 off the Nilla wafers, $13.25. So all of this will be $13.25. $13.25, guys. Do we have a great deal? Yes, we do. So again, if you have Ibotta or cashback, use it. So I should be collecting my cashback because I am going to grab these today. So I would have $10 in my cashback waiting for me on Saturday for this deal. I'll pay $3.25 out of pocket. If that's not a good deal, I don't know what is, guys. Go do these deals. Thanks for tuning in for Ivy's Coupon Count. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share my channel.